Tonight we are back at Disney Springs since there is a brand new drone show called Disney Dreams That Soar. And tonight I thought we would see that and maybe grab some food. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now with the brand new show, there is two show times at 9 p.m. and 10:45. This summer at Disney Springs, 800 drones take to the night sky above Lake Buena Vista in a magical drone light show. Imagine hundreds of state-of-the-art drones dancing across the sky, choreographed to a soaring musical score of iconic Disney music and memorable dialogue from beloved Disney movies. Watch them fly in a constant state of transformation, designing towering elements that are 400 feet tall and creating images of some of your favorite Disney characters from Toy Story, Coco, Dumbo, Peter Pan, Up, Star Wars Saga, and more. And there's also a feature where you can actually use your Magic Band Plus as it lights up during the show. But this show is going to run now through September 2nd, where viewing areas are at the west side, and we're actually here at the west side. Now, when it comes to Disney Dreams That Soar, this is something I was excited to see, but of course, because it's the first night, there is actually a line to get in, and I have a feeling we might need to get in that line now. So the line has officially reached all the way over there. Right now it is 7:45 p.m.
Hey, princess!
And I have a feeling the line will be getting inside soon. There's also a wave happening with all the people in line. There's also people over there sitting down waiting for the show to begin any minute now. But yeah, we're actually heading inside the area now. Hopefully we get a good view of Disney Dreams That Soar. And we just got our spot for Disney Dreams That Soar tonight. So let's go ahead and watch the show.
Just 10 minutes. Disney Dreams That Soar will take
You have to change your day to make the time work whatever time
Disney Dreams That Soar will take flight in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Let your imagination fly and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Everybody, here we go! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight on to Morton.
The wilderness must be explored!
It's 5 standing by.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters. To infinity.
If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go, right where you wanna be. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Thunder in your heart, to prepare for the dawn, because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you fly with dreams that soar.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
And I just got out from watching Disney Dreams That Soar. In total, I think we waited around an hour and a half to 2 hours, but I think if you're going on any other night that's not opening night, then I think you only need to wait roughly around 15-30 minutes. Now, with Disney Dreams That Soar, it was a fantastic addition to Disney Springs. It was an impressive and free show that is a must-watch when visiting Disney Springs. The original music was great and well written, and the 800 drones blew me away. When it comes to the drones themselves, they were quite possibly the best part of the show, especially when the drones transformed into all sorts of different characters from Disney, Marvel, Pixar, and Star Wars, whether it's Figment, Buzz Lightyear, Coco, Peter Pan, or a gigantic Death Star. And despite the 9 to 12 minute runtime, it didn't feel short at all. The only drawback with the whole show would be its location, where you'll need to wait 30-45 minutes before the show if you want to get a good spot due to the limited space in the area. And if you're not at the west side and you do want to watch the show, then your view of the drones will be less ideal. But besides that, Disney Dreams That Soar was an outstanding show. If you're coming to see the show, I'd honestly recommend watching on weekdays since it will be less busy, especially since this weekend was a holiday weekend and it was packed last night. It'll definitely be interesting to see how Disney hopefully uses drones in their shows in the future. But for now, Disney Dreams That Soar is a crowd-pleasing drone show that is worth watching if you're at Disney Springs. If you are using the hot air balloon, it will actually be closed from 8:30 to 11, so make sure you plan accordingly. But I think right now, we're going to go ahead and head over to the basket to maybe try some crispy mac and cheese bites. And we are now at the basket. This is actually a place where they serve some of the snacks and appetizers inside Wine Bar George. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get myself the mac and cheese bites. I forgot to mention you can also get some frozen drinks, wine on tap, and beer and cider at this place. But they have french fries, porchetta sandwich, seasonal hand pie, strawberry oat bar, cheese and meat box, house-made meatballs, and of course, crispy mac and cheese bites. And we just got ourselves the crispy mac and cheese from the basket, and Honestly, they look incredible. Has all sorts of cheese. There is also the crust all around the mac and cheese as well, and there's also the marinara. These mac and cheese bites, these are going for $16. So I was thinking we should go ahead and break this open. As we can see, this is what it looks inside. So let's go ahead and dig in. Honestly, these are really incredible. I think it was very cheesy, crispy. The marinara sauce was also a great addition, and it has that kick as well. But overall, I'll definitely get this again. It's definitely worth the price at Disney Springs. And that is going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Disney Springs. A short, quick trip to the area. We got to see the new drone show, and we also got to eat at the Basket and get one of the mac and cheese bites as well. If you want to watch Disney Dreams That Soars, it is running now through September 2nd. But if you want to help support the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video since it does help. And as always, until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.